Hi guys, I'm here to give you a daily update on Litecoin. As you can see, we've got all-time highs from Litecoin coming through. Do we? Do we? At 404? No, we don't. Oh, yeah, pretty much on Binance launch, right? $404 there. Pretty strong. Obviously, that is going back to around April, May sort of area, that sort of time frame, and obviously dumped off a cliff from there. Now, what can we use from this? We can use these lower highs from this all-time high in terms of a resistance point. We have seen us actually get over that in previous price action, in previous uptrends coming through. Very nice indeed. But where are we now? We're sat on that trend line, guys. We're sat on the all-time high trend line. Hopefully, we can find the support that we did before and bang it up. Hopefully, we can. If we don't and we lose this zone, guys, Viva La Resistance is here. She's going to be pushing us down. So that's definitely something to be looking out for. They're very, very crucial information here for Litecoin on this time frame. Yeah, interesting to see if we actually are going to hold this trend line coming through here. I mean, overall, it's not looking too bad. The support is looking there. We have tested that today, actually. Yeah, we have tested this today. So hopefully, we can see progression to the upside, right? We are seeing higher lows in terms of this low that was set. So that's not bad. And we are invalidating lower highs here, which is good. But we don't want to be testing this line too many times. If we test this trend line too many times, we're likely to break it, right? Because we know the whole 3 test sort of rule. If you test something 3, 4, 5, 6 times, you're likely to break it, right? So because it just shows the momentum is still there to basically try and get through it. So yeah, we are seeing that seeing quite a few tests along this trend line. So yeah, hopefully we actually we bang it right up rather than breaking right down, right? So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for there for Litecoin. I would say we do have a very strong trend line actually coming down. Maybe not from there, yeah, probably around this sort of area there. From this zone. So if we are going to see any sort of progression to the upside there, definitely looking at 181 as a potential resistance, right? That's where all major moving averages are on the daily. That's going to be a point to be looking out for there. If we get above that, hello money, cold hard cash. That's definitely going to be something to be looking for there, guys. If we can get over that, we're going to be breaking this downtrend here, breaking this downward sloping resistance line there. That's definitely going to be a point to be looking out for. And then obviously we're going to be getting through all the major moving averages here on the daily, which is obviously a massive, massive, massive level of support for Litecoin there. So if we can see that, we will see higher prices, pretty much guaranteed there. And when I say higher prices, I mean around 224. From there, probably riding the wave all the way up, probably literally 240. And then from there, consolidatory period along this zone at around 260 as well. Then later on in history, guys, probably not today, we can talk about potential for another breakout scenario to the upside there. Measure move looking pretty juicy, 42%, something along the lines of that. But for now, please, 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 just be watching this trend line here on the daily. Whether we break it is going to be very, very, very crucial indeed. And also, how many times are we going to test this before we break it, right? Moving down to the shorter term time frame here, we've got, obviously, as I was saying there, strong higher lows, guys, from this low, very, very strong higher lows. And this basically gives me an inclination to be looking for a lovely level of support coming through here at around this 158 there. It pretty much looks like Bitcoin right now, actually, with this massive trend line coming down. We've also got a very strong volume weighted ATR band. You can see the support that we tend to get off this bad boy. Not looking bad. If we're below it, guys, we trend below it, right? It's a fact. So yeah, just be looking out for the level of support. And as you can see there, bang, 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 very juicy evidence there. So yeah, not too bad. God, just like choked on some air. But yeah, as you can see here, guys, it's definitely going to be a point to be looking out for there in terms of a level of support there. So yeah, not too bad overall. I would be worried if we actually lose this volume weighted ATR band and we lose that major trend line and we lose this obviously the support point that I was just speaking about here. If we lose all of this, Viva La Resistance is going to be there, and it's not going to be shy. Potential short position to be looking out from that zone. Multiple breakouts, which we could be looking out for there. Let's look at some potential take profit points in terms of a short position there, guys. This is what we are going to be looking for. I wouldn't be getting in until we've lost this volume weighted ATR band, until we've cleared this horizontal low, until we've lost all major trend lines to the downside here. If we lose all of them and we're below a major moving averages here in the 4 hour, then I'm definitely going to be looking to short here, guys. It's going to be very, very nice short position, taking profit all the way down. Once we hit our first take profit, we basically take our stop loss, we move our stop loss to our entry, and that basically means if we see any sort of reversal, we've already taken profit twice, guys, and it's going to be a stop loss at entry, so it's not a negative stop loss. I can't stress that enough. Gridding your take profits, you'll make 10 times more money gridding them rather than just going stop loss, take profit, let's ride the wave. It never really happens like that, guys. I think it's like 1 out of 3 or something along the lines of that, right? So yeah, please, please, please stagger your take profits all the way down as you go, and you'll make 10 times more money. I know it's not as like dopamine releasing in the brain, because you're not like, oh, I'm up 10 grand, or you're taking as you're going, right? It's not seeing that massive figure in terms of profit, right? That's obviously very nice to see, but it's a greed factor. It manipulates you, right? So yeah, just stagger those take profits. You'll make 10 times more cash. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Please do your own research before entering any positions that I do say here on this channel. Yeah, that's pretty much going to be your Litecoin update. Couple of things to be looking out for there. Potential positions coming through there as well. Nice.